eat food. Teo, you have to eat food so you get better.
Eat food no better.
No, get better? But you have to get better.
Sleep.
You want to? You have to drink your medicine after you eat your food, so you have to eat your food.
Eat food. No eat food.
If you will not eat food, you will not get better.
No get better.
But you have to get better so you can buy Tamika. Don't you wanna buy Tamika? Tell me. What? Yes. Medicine? Yes, you have to drink medicine. Come here so you can eat your food na.
I'm sleeping.
Anong sleepy? Come here to Lala.
No Camila.
Why not? You have to eat your food nga.
No.
Come here. So you can drink your medicine. Because you are sick. No sick? You're sick? No wet. And because you have no wet, you're not sick anymore? No sick na daw siya. And I am. But you have to drink your medicine pa din because you're hot. Are you not hot na? No hot? Oh, makati yung ilong mo. You have flu. You have sipon. Oh, so you have to drink medicine. Come here. Come here. Come here. Eat your food. Teo. Teo. You're not listening to Lala. Mama will get mad. You want Mama to get mad? Teo? 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 Lala is angry na. Lala is mad na rin. Oh, you want Tita? Come here, eat your food. Tita will go to you. If you eat your food. Come here. Come here, Teo. Did you drink your water? Did you wanna drink water? Na, ubos mo yan? No. Come here. Na binuksan mo yan, matatapon yan. Sandro, kunin mo. Inom ka. Konti. Sige, inom ka na ng konti. Tapos, eat na. Mababasa yung bed mo. Sige ka. Baba? Kabila na naman. Eat mo na. But you have to eat. Sabaw to. Halika, tikman mo, masarap. Eat sabaw bago kabila. Okay, Siren. Ganun na lang. Eat sabaw bago kabila. Come here. Come here, eat sabaw ka na.
Or, doon ka sabaw.
Pwede rin.
No, kailon. Doon, dala.
And what you're going to do sa kabila? Again? Watch kabila. What will you watch? No. Mama will get mad, don't you know? I will tell you to Mama. I will tell Mama you're watching marble. Makati ang ilong mo, oh. May sipon ka. Halika na rito. Iinom ka antibiotic pa. Kami. Mag-bye ka muna. Bye. Mag-bye ka nga. Bye. 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 Watch a bubble. Tingnan mo siya, oh. Tingnan mo siya, oh. Watch a bubble? Bubble? Marble? What? Watch a marble daw, oh. Mama said you cannot watch marble. You watch marble. You are not allowed to watch marble, Mama said. You want Mama to get mad? Come here, eat ka na. Go. Yes. Eat na tayo ng food, yes. Yes?